Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today we'll be making winter melon soup. Alright guys, here I got one piece of winter melon, some shrimp, green onions, and some minced garlic, alright? Okay guys, so you take your peeler and then you peel the winter melon, and it should look like this after, alright? And then we're gonna cut this piece into half. We'll cut it right down the middle. And then we're just gonna chop it up, alright? This size, alright? Okay guys, here I have a bowl of smashed shrimp, okay? To that shrimp, we're going to be adding some fish sauce. About a good 8 squirts. Sugar, salt, some green onions, okay? And we're just going to stir that up. Stir it up, okay? We gotta add some MSG as well. There you go. Just mix it up, alright? I got a small pot with some oil in it, okay? Do that. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. Minced garlic, right? That little browned up. Okay, once it gets a little brown like that, add in your winter melon, right? Guys, now we can get some water. How are we gonna add the water to the pot? We're gonna turn up the heat. Up to a boil, alright guys? Hey guys, now that the pot is boiling, it's been boiling for about 15 minutes now. We're gonna check the tenderness of the winter melon, okay? We're gonna do the fork test. Okay, not quite there yet, guys. Okay, we're gonna give it about 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna add this the flavor packet, okay? Okay guys, now we're gonna add the flavoring packet to the soup, okay? There you go. Add it all in there. Okay, give it a nice whirl. Okay. Sugar. A little bit more sugar. A little bit more salt. Fish sauce. There you go, guys. Good. Finish off the soup. All you gotta do is add some green onions. Okay. Some black pepper. So, winter melon soup, alright? Alright, guys. It's juicy.